Top 5 Amazing Inventions of the World. Number 1. The Internet, connecting people and information across the globe. Number 2. The smartphone, a portable device that can access the Internet, make calls, take photos, and more. Number 3. The automobile, revolutionizing transportation and enabling people to travel farther and faster. Number 4. The airplane, making air travel possible and shrinking the world. Number 5. Electricity, transforming the way we live, work, and communicate by powering homes, businesses, and technology.